The tastiest, high-protein, cheesy beef taco potato balls. All for 520 calories, packed with so much flavor, perfect for weight loss, and incredibly easy to meal prep. Slice your potatoes into small cubes, then add this taco seasoning mix with olive oil. Give it all a good mix, then oven or air fry on the settings listed on screen. Next, make the chipotle spicy sauce with low-fat yogurt, light mayo, chipotle chili paste, hot sauce, squeeze of honey, salt, paprika, and garlic powder. Blend it all till completely smooth and creamy just like this. You can bottle the sauce up and store in the fridge for weeks. Next, make the fresh salsa with chopped tomatoes, red onion, bell peppers, coriander, the spice blend, and lime juice. Mix till well combined, then get a pan on high heat. Add grass-fed butter and cook the beef for 8 minutes before adding tomato paste and more taco seasoning mix. Mix and cook till golden brown. Add low-fat cheese, then all that's left to do is equally distribute into 4 servings and your high-protein meal is ready to enjoy.